All right, the cooking doc here with Dawn Hilton-Williams from Herban Eats, and we're going to make a quick cauliflower rice, which is a great side dish substitute for a high carbohydrate side dish, right?
Right, absolutely.
Okay, but this one doesn't taste like the typical cauliflower rice. This is quick, it's easy, and it's amazing.
Of course it's amazing. It's Herban Eats.
It's Herban Eats.
No, I shouldn't say that. And it's cooking doc. And it's cooking doc.
Oh, yeah, right.
So
okay.
we really have a treat because we want to substitute sometimes. Like you said, the high carb, white rice, there's no nutrient in it. Right. So this is nutrient dense calorie, and it's got a lot of good carbohydrates. So we want to use that. So we're going to do that today.
Yes, let's do it.
Takes 5 minutes.
5 minutes. The cauliflower rice is great if you're a diabetic and looking for a low carbohydrate diet. Also, some people are trying to lose weight using a lower carbohydrate diet, and this is a great way to do it.
Absolutely.
And you can buy the cauliflower rice already.
Cheated.
Ready.
Cheated.
Cheated.
Pro tip. No, not pro tip, mom tip. This is a mom tip because moms don't have time. We're in a hurry. You can take this and you can use the big one and do the whole thing and use a box cutter to do that. Yeah. You can get that done. Or you can go and you can buy $1.99. It's already done. It'll feed a family of 4.
So much
Takes 5
better.
minutes. So we're
this
gonna
one you
go
got to
with
wash,
one.
you got to dry, you got to cut, you got to do all that stuff.
Well, there's shortcuts, but this is the shortest cut of all. Mom tip.
You got to know which shortcuts to use and which not to use.
Right.
This is a good one to use.
Yep. Okay, so we're salting the water like the ocean. We don't want to be stingy with the salt here because there is no other salt.
Woo.
Fun. 5 minutes with that, and we just want to move it a little bit just to make sure it all gets boiled, and you boil it like pasta. So we know 5 minutes is happening, so while we're waiting, Doc Blake, we're going to zest this Meyer lemon.
Perfect.
Now, here's the regular lemon, and here's the Meyer lemon. The Meyer lemon is much more flavorful, and it's seasonal, but it's much more flavorful, and it has like a little bit of an orange taste. Okay. So we're going to add that orangey lemon taste with zest, because zest has a lot of the oils. It actually carries all the oils for the lemon, and we're going to get all the flavor in the oil by zesting.
Just from the zest.
If you could zest this for me.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it in once we get everything going. And a lot of people confuse zesting and grating. Zesting is you just want the orange or the yellow. You don't want the white. And we're going to zest.
That means, cooking doc, you're getting too much white.
Doesn't mean that. Let me see. Let me see. I didn't even look, but keep on going. No, he's not doing that. He's got perfect orange. So we're going to get that, and then we're going to put that right on top, and it's really going to be a good fragrance and flavor.
All right, so we got cauliflower rice in our bowl. This is hot, steaming. Now what?
So we have some green onions, which are going to give us a nice mild flavor. Okay. And we have some chives. I like onions, so
I do too.
That's why we're going down with 2.
Me too. A lot of flavor here.
Yeah, a lot of flavor. And then we're going to put a little olive oil.
Okay. Yum. Okay.
Okay, we know Doc Blake likes olive oil.
I love olive
just
oil.
to let you know.
Olive oil and garlic. Okay.
And
garlic powder, right?
Half a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Okay. Great.
Can't go wrong with what we're doing. It's already salted because we salted the water like the ocean. A little black pepper.
And then the lemon zest or the Meyer lemon zest. Look at that. That's so good. Okay.
It looks good. And if you could smell it, you'd be happy. You know? And then we're going down with our beautiful Meyer lemon zest. And then we're going to just stir it up. And once the oils in the Meyer lemon open up, it just changes the entire flavor of that cauliflower rice. Okay, so this is Herban Eats, Dawn Hilton-Williams, cauliflower rice. This was a game changer for me. I had no idea that cauliflower rice could taste like this. He didn't know it was coming. He thought he was getting something else to eat. Yes, I did. So we're going to do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's amazing. Well, thanks, Dawn, again for joining us today. Keep eating. I will. Keep bringing me delicious food. This is amazing. Okay. And find me on Cooking Doc's website or on his social media at Herban Eats. Herban-Eats.com. Herban-Eats.com. Thank you. And I'm on the cookingdoc.co, and subscribe to us on YouTube. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and this is really good. It is. Yes. We're going to eat now. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching The Cooking Doc. Healthy cooking made simple and delicious.